fantastic. Look at this. So what do people say when they come and see your water feature for the first time?
It's really good.
Really good?
Yeah.
So when you were building it, you were saying that people were stopping you and saying what you're doing?
Yeah, all the time. Yeah, it's quite a busy road, this. It comes across there. Yeah, and you know, I've had work off it.
So how do you hold the bank back? Was it here originally, or?
Yeah, it was just a slope basically.
Yeah.
It was kind of a bit of a rockery, yeah. Overgrown with ivy really. Lots of ivy everywhere.
And so we had the extension built, and because the sun comes around here in the afternoon, put a decking area, and we just thought we want to hear something natural and, you know, experience something nice in the garden, which we'd never had before. So it was Lee, when he met Lee, it was him that decided that he wanted something to go in this space. So one, for when people drive up, it's really nice to look at on the street. And two, predominantly for us, because this is the area that we're going to sit out in all the time. So it's here in that water.
And this just lends itself to lean on, isn't it? And look over.
Absolutely. We do just spend our time stood here, just looking over. Yeah, I think it's really different to be on the front of a property, unique really.
The slope just lends itself.
Yeah, it's perfect.
Opportunity.
Yeah, because a lot of time we have to build the slope.
Yeah.
Like in my house, I had to build it up, but this is just perfect for it.
And then in a matter of, a couple of months, not long at all, the plants have really taken off and made it, haven't they? Just really.
Yeah, because it was
made looking better, and then
quite a bit stone
and Wayne just added a couple of the old. We had one of the logs here, didn't we? And you added the other two logs that here, and makes it look a rustic feel.
You were saying just before that your mum was inspired by this?
Yeah, so she saw ours being developed. It wasn't even finished, was it?
No.
And she was really, really keen on it. And she then went up to Wayne's and had a look at Wayne's pond as well. And she'd seen sort of our fencing, so she's had a take on a bit of it all, hasn't she?
Yeah.
Because she already had a pond there. So Wayne took the ponds out, redid that, and then she was really inspired by Japanese gardens. So you'll see
that when you go. Very Japanese inspired. Yeah.
And what hers
Lots
is
of
like.
aces.
Thank you very much.
Pleasure.
Thank you.
Just need to do the rest of the leading garden now.
What have we got here, Wayne?
Small pondless waterfall, straight up. I hadn't seen this for a long time, and the plants have really grown up. And he's put that in himself, the sleeper wall. That wasn't there at first, so he's built that up there. It's just quite straight, simple. It's Aquablox 45 there. Well, Aquabasin 45 going to 22-inch spillway.
Yeah.
Hey, it's your back hours, yeah. It's my company bike, yeah. Just he plays it all the time, don't you? You're playing it, don't you?
What do you like about it?
That water comes out of it and there's flowers around it.
The flowers do make it very bright, which make it look a lot
And
more
I made a flower, but it's gonna kind of fall down. Sunflower.
Oh, the sunflower, it's yours, that is it?
It has more heads to come out. One there, one there.
More heads.
So you put that
One
in?
there, one there.
Yeah, they did a bit of their own planting, didn't they?
So what was here before? Was it grass like this one?
Yeah, it was all grass.
some bushes.
Yeah.
I like the sound of the waterfall as well.
Yeah, well,
I like to walk up it.
And Logan likes
You
to
like
we'll
it?
go for it. Let's
Go
have a
for it.
see.
I have some. I have no shoes
You're
on.
allowed.
Yeah, of course you are. See, YouTube gold that.
Look at that. Oh.
Oh.
Come back down. Don't fall over. Wild waterfall walking. Where are we?
Oldham.
In Oldham.
Best way to Oldham.
Fantastic. Thank you very much. Thanks for showing us your pondless water feature.